Description: Atoderm Intensive Balm acts as a barrier for a lasting, soothing effect. Its patented skin barrier therapy formula acts as a film. Your skin seems protected. Zinc contributes to minimize the look of redness. Benefits: Atoderm Intensive Balm helps to soothe, moisturize, improve the skin barriers and restores skin comfort. Suggested use: apply on your face and/or body after cleansing, at least twice a day. Top reviews from the United States. The best. Over the years I struggled in choosing the right moisturizer for my dry skin. No matter what I used, nothing helped. The day I found this cream was a life game changer. Best ever. Not looking back. I am so happy with the results. Now the back of arms have no more rough bumps. It's so smooth. Just loving it.